Hello, good morning, children. It's 8 o'clock, your science period. And yesterday you have learned how to make nest. How many of you have made nest? Oh, many of you. Okay, share the photograph of that nest. Children, some book exercises are left. We have done the question answer and give reason, hearts, and define word of the lesson. But some book exercises are left, and we will do the another book exercises. Children, open your book, page number 69. After that, we will do the test paper also. Be ready with your book and pencil and eraser. Okay, children, I am going to share my PDF where you will see the book pages. Children, what I said, you have to open the page number 69. What you have to write there? Here is the picture of two nests. You have to identify and write the name of the bird. What you have to write? The name of the bird. You all can identify. The first picture is of weaver bird. Whose nest is this? This is weaver bird nest. Okay? It's using its beak to weave the nest. Okay? You all can see, and it hangs from the trees. This is the special type of bird and special type of nest. Come to the second one. This is on a high position on the top of the tree, and some twigs are used to make this nest. This is a nest of eagle. It is a cup-shaped, shallow cup-shaped nest. Many of you have made this nest also, na? Cup-shaped nest you have made? Yes. This is the whose nest? Eagle. Now children, here are some activities in your science club. Make feather bookmark. You have collected some feathers? Collect some fallen feather. Cut a piece of cardboard to the size of the bookmark. Cover it with colored paper. Paste it feather. पहले हमने क्या किया? पेपर का टुकड़ा लिया. After that, a cardboard liya, then we cover with that. In the third picture you can see, you cover with paper, and after that you paste the, what you have to do, you have to paste that feather on it. Okay, write your name and class at the bottom, and your feather bookmark is ready. You can make this feather book. You will make. Yes, nowadays you have a spare of time, na? And you can collect and you can do these type of thing if you have time. I know you all have time, na? Because schools are closed nowadays and you are doing your work at home. Children, let's read this poem. It is a beautiful poem on bird. Let's read. Oh, little bird, what's your name? How colorful you are. Let's play a game. When you were small, you liked hopping around. Now that you are big, you fly high up in the sky, away from the ground. When the sun sets, you return to your nest. Okay, come. You return to your nest. After a long day's work, you too need some rest. That's why you have come to your nest. Nest is the bird's home. Children, you imagine about the bird, and you can write your 4-line poem. Okay, and share in group. You think over that, and in your own word, you make a poem. You can make in Hindi also. Hindi or English. Create a poem on bird, and you can send a video by singing it also. Okay, now let's do the another work, the value for me. That is the another exercise. Now Venkat has found a baby bird in his balcony. What should he do? Tick the correct answer. Here are two things: what he should do and what he should not do. He should do, you have to make tick, and he should not do, you will make a cross. Put together a nest to keep it cozy, or let it remain in the open. The first one is right. Put together a nest to keep it cozy place, to make it, to avoid from the enemies, the big animal. Okay. Now come to the second one. look for its mother's nest nearby. आप देखोगे ना पास में इसकी मम्मा कहाँ है, और leave it alone, कि आप उसको छोड़ दोगे. You take this one, look for its mother's nest nearby. Then you will keep the bird in that nest. Come to the third. Feed the bird and give it water, or show it away. Of course, you should feed the bird and give it water. In a small pot, in a small katori, you give little water, some grains, food grains, some fruits part. You should give to that baby bird. We should take care of. By mistake, she has lost her mother's nest. Now, we all should take care of such type of birds or any animal, any baby animal. We must care for them, and we should try to always to keep it safe. Children, here is another book exercise that is in the page number 71. You all open, and this check your understanding. It is a worksheet where we will come to know that कि आपको वो lesson कितना समझ में आया from the lesson number 5 to 7, and you have to fill the answers. This time you write, because only one word you have to write, and I will share it. From there you can match. What is this? Let's read. Sam has written a letter to his friend describing his pet Bruno. Complete the letter by choosing word from the box. Answer the questions that follow. In a box, what the words are? Breathing, eating, feels, food, grown. What are these words? These are the characteristic of living thing. Yes. Dear Rene, how are you doing? I can't wait to tell you about my pet dog Bruno. I bought him home when he was 1 year old. Now he has dash big, grown big. What you will feel? Grown means bada ho gaya. All living things grown up. What you will write here? Grown. Grown. Come to the next line. Though he loves dash ice cream, we give him dog dash. He loves eating ice cream. You will fill here eating. And in the next, we give him dog food. The special type of biscuit food is available in the market for the dogs. Na? We used to give them. They are nutritious for them. He dash very happy. He feels very happy. All living thing need food. All living thing eat, and all living thing feels also. He feels very happy when I rub his tummy. He loves chasing a squirrel in the park. You have seen many dogs, small dogs, they do this, no? Sometimes he gets so tired that he start breathing fast. All living thing breathe. What is the meaning of breathing? Taking the air, that is oxygen in. Na? Breathing fast. Your friend Sam. Now here are, you will fill these things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Just you have to write from the box the correct word at correct place. And second, there are 2 questions. Is Bruno a living thing or a non-living thing? Of course, Bruno is a living thing. Write 2 other things that living things can do. Living things can move. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह move कर सकते हैं ना. Non-living thing cannot by their own. People can move, make them move. Reproduce. What is the meaning of reproduce? Reproduce means to give birth of same kind. अपने जैसा एक और produce करना. तो all living things can only reproduce, and only living things can move by themselves. Okay? You will write this. Come to the second one. Here are the pictures of the part of the plant. You have to identify and write the name Which part are these? This is a brinjal fruit. It is a fruit of a brinjal plant. Huh? And second one is flower. What is second one? Flower. Third is leaf. And fourth, roots. Yes, no, they are tap roots, no? Or you will write simple root. Which part? Roots. Name the bird. We have done na earlier in next Zoom classes. I have a short, hard, and horny beak. I am the national bird of India. Peacock. I am a perching bird. I am black in color. Crow. I have a long cylinder beak to suck the nectar from flower. Yes, of course, the smallest bird, hummingbird. What you will write? What you will write? Hummingbird. Come to the next one. I have webbed feet and a broad and flat beak. I say quack, quack. Name the bird. Duck. Yes, duck. Come to the fifth one. I have a long chisel-shaped beak. I use it to make holes in tree. Name the bird. It's woodpecker. It makes hole in wood, na? Write a report on Indian bird. Let it be. इसको छोड़ दो. चलो next करते हैं. Come to the next page. Test paper from the chapter 1 to 7. The first one is write T for true and F for false. Question 1. Human beings are omnivores. True, they eat both types of food as well as plant and plant product and the flesh of the other animal, eggs, fishes. Come to the second one. Carnivores such as lion and tiger have flat front teeth. It is false. They have sharp teeth, na? Because they have to tear the flesh of the animal. They are carnivore. A food chain, third one. A food chain always starts with plant. True, it's true. What is food chain? It shows who eats whom. And herbivorous animal eat the plant and plant product, then in further it is eaten by the carnivore animal. And so by such way, they make a food chain. Come to the fourth one. Cotton and jute are synthetic fiber? No, they are natural fiber. We get these fiber from the plant. There is a cotton plant and there is a jute plant. From there we get such type of fiber. In class 2 you have read this. No? Now sandy soil does not hold much water. Yes, it's true. Because the particles are big, a lot of space is present between the particles. So air passes from there. So it does not hold what? B. Fill in the blanks. Ice is the dash form of water. Everything on the earth is present in three forms now. Name three forms. Solids, liquid, gases. Then ice is the dash form of water. What you will fill? Solid. Candle wax, dash when it burns. Like ice, candle wax also melts. Melt मतलब गल जाता है. Solid changes into liquid. Liquid में further होता है ना. After that again it changes into wax. Candle wax melts. melts. Your ice creams also melts, na? Some root store food. Extra food is stored in food. You eat carrot. What is carrot? Why you eat carrot? Because the extra food is stored in the carrot and it is very useful and tasty also and nutritious. So we eat the vegetable fruit and as we eat the halwa of carrot also, na? Some roots store food. Okay. Now the flat and broad surface of leaf is called leaf blade. And it is of different shapes as well as different colors. So mostly they are green, but they have of different colors also. No? And veins are present on the leaf blade, middle vein and side vein. And the leaf blade is connected to the branches through petiole. Yes. Or stalk. You have remembered, no, part of the leaf? Yes. Number 5. Small, fluffy feathers that keep the bird's body warm are called, what type of feather they call? Down feathers. What they are called? Down feathers. Okay? You have done? Only one word you have to write. And I know you all know these answers, na? Because nowadays multiple choice questions are coming in your exam, and it will come like this from between the lesson, between the line. It is not compulsory that the only the book exercise will come. So learn each and every test paper, every exercises. Come to the third one, that is C. Give 2 examples each of. You have to write the name of the 2 carnivorous animals. Think over. Tiger, crocodile. The 2 carnivorous animals are, you can write any other also. You can write lion, fox, like that. Okay? It is not compulsory the same you will write. Now, animals that lap. What is the meaning of lap? Lap is a method of eating that is called lapping, using the tongue to drink the liquid food. Na? Soup, milk. Who uses this way to eat the food? Cat lap the milk, and dog also. When they are small puppy, and when there is a kitten, cat, how they eat? They eat by this method, or using the method of lapping, using its tongue, taking its tongue again out, in and out, and dipping in water, and the milk which is spread on their tongue, they drink. Come to the third one. Animals that suck their food. Butterfly, leech, and another is the mosquito also suck the food. Na? Mosquito sucks the blood. Butterfly sucks the nectar. Nectar means flowers juice. And leech sucks the blood of the different animals. They are found on the bodies of different animals. And there is a bird, hummingbird, the smallest bird. It has a long tube-like beak. It also sucks the food. Now, fuels we get from the petroleum. This is from the lesson matter and material from the, that is not in your course. But you must know these type of things. Fuel, what things we get? Petrol and diesel. We get from petroleum. And petroleum is present in the earth. And from there, the 2 things are processed, petrol and diesel, and they are used for the moving the vehicles. Now give me the example of 2 perching bird. Yes, crow, pigeon. Children, in an example, you can write other examples, but make sure that should be right. That should be correct. Okay? You have done? Children, you read every lesson's book exercise. I will ask in the Zoom classes. Okay? I hope you all have done this. Suppose if any work is left, children, if any work is left, I will share it in the PDF form in your WhatsApp group. From there, you can write also. Children, do your work every day. Don't think that I will do it tomorrow. Do on the same day you complete that work, because otherwise the things will be get pending, और आपका 1 का दिन 2 का दिन का काम, pile of work will be collected, और आपको solve करना difficult हो जाएगा. So be in habit. You must be punctual. What is the meaning of punctual? You do the work at the right time. Okay? And children, you all do writing practice nowadays. You are and the reading practice also. Tomorrow I will ask anyone to read. Be ready with the same lesson. I can ask anyone to read, okay? Do practice of that. I will call the name of any child and I will ask you to unmute and you have to read whatever the lesson and whatever the page number I will say, you have to read. So be ready. If you will find any difficulty, I am there to help you. I will tell you that what is the correct word, but be in practice of that. Okay, children? Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next class. Okay? Bye, dear. And learn everything, whatever taught to you.